Marafiki na viongozi wa kaunti ya Nyamira walijiunga na familia ya mwenda zake ELIJA OSIEMO aliyekuwa kiongozi wa wengi katika bunge la kaunti hiyo ili kutoa rambirambi zao. Viongozi hao wakiongozwa na kiongozi wa wachache katika kaunti hiyo wameachwa na mshtuko mkubwa kwa kumpoteza kiongozi aliyekuwa na umahiri wa uongozi na utendakazi.
Together with the people of Nyamira are in deep shock and mourning following the demise of Nyamira MCA and the leader of majority, Honorable ELIJA OSIEMO. Yesterday evening, August 7th, 2013, along the Narok-Nairobi Highway, 2023, along the Narok-Nairobi Highway, in a road accident. Two other MCAs, Honorable Duke Masira of Township Ward and Honorable Priscilla Nyatichi, nominated MCA, survived the fatal accident at Dry Port, Mayu along the Narok-Nairobi Highway. Their driver, Mr. Penard Sereti, escaped with minor injuries. Honorable Masira suffered a fracture on his arm, while Honorable Nyatichi got a spinal injury. The duo were transferred from Naivasha Sub-County Hospital to Aga Khan Hospital, Nairobi, for further medical attention. Honorable Masira, Honorable Nyatichi, and Honorable OSIEMO were traveling to Nairobi for an official meeting when their car was involved in an accident with a motorbike rider. Honorable Masira is the deputy leader of majority, while Honorable Nyatichi is the vice chair of Gender, Youth, Sports and Culture Committee. The Speaker, Honorable Kero, led a team of leaders to Naivasha where they coordinated the movement of the survivors to Nairobi. The board of Honorable OSIEMO was also moved to Marsh Funeral Home in the city for preservation. The Assembly and the people of Nyamira at large have lost a reliable and a dependable leader in OSIEMO, who was the leader of government business in Nyamira County Assembly. We condole with the bereaved family as we wish quick recovery to the survivor of the Greasy Road accident. As we are waiting to get further directions and plans, tunasema poleni kwa familia na tunaomba wafanyikazi, tukiwa tunaomboleza wafanyikazi wa Nyamira County Assembly, tuwe watulifu na turudi kwa maombi. Tuchiombee sisi wenyewe na tuombee wenzetu ambao wako hospitali na tuombee familia ambao imepoteza kiongozi, baba, ndugu na mtoto wao. Poleni.
Deputy Speaker, mimi naitwa Minda Riechi, MCA wa Magombo Ward, ambaye ni leader of Minority Coalition Nyamira County Assembly. Na mimi kwa niaba yangu, mimi mwenyewe, familia yangu na watu wote wa Magombo, natoa rambirambi zangu kwa watu wa Nyamira ambao wamempoteza MCA wao, rafiki wangu ELIJA OSIEMO, na watu wote wa Nyamira County. Mr. OSIEMO alikuwa rafiki yangu binafsi na alikuwa ni mtu anapenda kazi sana. Kwa vile alikuwa leader of majority na mimi leader of majority, tumefanya kazi kwa pamoja kwa vizuri sana kwa mwaka mmoja ambao umepita. Na tegemeo letu ama tulikuwa tunategemea ni kwamba yote tunayosema ama tunayofanya katika County Assembly ya Nyamira tunaweka watu wa Nyamira kwanza. na amenifunza mengi. Alikuwa mwanasiasa shupavu kabisa na alikuwa tayari kabisa kufanya kazi na watu wote. Tunachukua wakati huu tunapoomboleza kifo cha mwenzetu, wenzetu wote wa kaunti ya Assembly ya Nyamira, tuwe watulivu. Kaunti mzima tumempoteza mwenzetu mwenye alikuwa anapenda kazi sana na alikuwa anapenda watu wa Nyamira kwa dhati. Poleni watu wote wa Nyamira kwa kupoteza rafiki yetu. Asanteni.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Speaker. Thank you, the Fourth Estate. I'm really humbled to talk about my friend. ELIJA, we met immediately of the 7th of September, 7th of August last year after the general elections, and we bonded from the word go. He used to visit me at my home. We have had several meetings, and one good thing about ELIJA was that he never made a decision as a leader of majority on his own. He always looked for consultation. He always wanted everybody to be on board. He never posted about his position, even though he was one of the youngest in the assembly, but he was able leader to lead the government side of the assembly. The assembly is going to miss him. Personally, I'm going to miss him. And we pray for his family that God can give them strength at this difficult time. Wandu wa Nyamira, poreni sana. Ekene kiranyi kiroro laki moremereri Nyasaye nero manyite na imoroki.
Thank you very much, Deputy Speaker, and Fourth Estate and fellow colleagues. It is unbelievable that we've lost one of our own, Honorable ELIJA OSIEMO. First and foremost, we want to say pole to the family and also to ourselves. It is not an easy time, it's a very painful thing. We are saddened, and we are asking for prayers that the people of the county of Nyamira can pray for the assembly, that God may take away this kind of tragedies over us. I don't have much to say. OSIEMO, the late, was a very intelligent young man, soft-spoken, and he would really coordinate his work very well. May God rest his soul in peace.
Honorable Speaker, members of County Assembly with us here, and members of staff. We're here today to mourn the passing on of our leader of majority, Honorable ELIJA OSIEMO. On my own behalf, my family, and the members of staff with us here, the County Assembly Nyamira, we stand together to mourn or condole the family. I knew ELIJA OSIEMO over 17 years ago when he reported to Kisii School as a small boy in Form 1. I was his teacher at high school at that time. Later we all went separate ways, but come this year after elections we again linked up. ELIJA OSIEMO, I've always called him leader of majority, my student. He also calls me clerk, my teacher. It has come to happen. Too bad for the county assembly. ELIJA OSIEMO was a dependable leader, independent, consultative, and is one who could exhibit wisdom beyond his age. Anytime you had an issue that you wanted somebody to assist you on how to go about it, then be sure if you call ELIJA OSIEMO, you will get direction. We are sorry as a family of the County Assembly of Nyamira that we have lost a young leader whom, to me, if you ask me, I could see he had a very bright future in the political world and in the leadership world. We want to stand with the family, as I said, and we promise that we shall be together until the end. For Honorable Masira and Honorable Priscilla, who are in hospital, and the driver, may the Almighty God extend His healing hand so that they get better very fast and come back to join us. My message to the government: the issue of motorbikes on our roads, which we know our youths are earning from those motorbikes. And I participated in making that policy that brought in the issue of motorbikes today when I was working in another ministry. It is time to think on which roads are they going to use. I'm appealing to the government, as they expand our roads network, they should remember lanes for the motorbikes. Were it not for this motorbike coming the road straight, as they have always done, we would have not lost our leader, we would have not injured our other leaders that are in hospital today. So I'm appealing to the government, if this message reaches anybody who listens, it is time, as they expand the roads, which the works are going on, you can see from Kisii to Kericho it's going on, to remember how they can create the space for the motorbikes and for the pedestrians. Otherwise, driving has become very difficult, and I think the most difficult in the world to drive in Kenya. Those of us who have stayed outside there, the easiest thing to do in other part of the world is to drive on the highway. But in Kenya, it's so difficult for us. We are going to lose many of us because of that kind of congestion and commotion on our roads. I now want to request the members of staff, as I told you in the morning, this is our funeral. From now, we shall start roaring. We hope to visit the family, wherever, back home. We hope to organize ourselves on which roles we shall play until this matter comes to rest. Thank you so much.